Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you some of the configurations and features that Drupal has by default. Let's get started. So this is the front page where we stopped in the last video. So on this configuration page, basically the first page of Drupal after installation, we have this icon, which is basically the home icon. We have the dashboard, which is usually for any users that want to have a dashboard. Dashboard is just an interface for a kind of summary for all the content, the users, the comments you have on your website. And then we also have the content section where you can add content, you can delete the content, and do anything that you want to regarding content on your website. We all know that any website will definitely have a number of content. In addition, we have the structure. Structure is where we learn more about how to define the structure of our website. Supposing you want to have a 3-colon website, so in this case we have a colon here, we also have the second colon here. So we'll talk more about structure in the next set of videos that we will meet in the future. And apart from the structure, we have appearance. This is the basic default theme or design that comes with Drupal by default. We can always change it, we can always add new one, you can always develop your own. So this is the section where we normally come to change the appearance of our website. Then people is where we manage the users on our websites. You want your website to be a kind of membership site, a forum website, or simply an administrative purpose website. In this case, for example, our portal where you registered for this training, it's a kind of website where we allow people to register. So this is where we simply came to do anything that is relating to user. You can add new users, you can delete users, you can edit users information, and anything that is related to users. Apart from that, we have the modules sections. Modules allow you to extend your site's functionality. So with this function, you can always add more and more plugins on your website. But by default, there is no by default on the Drupal website, there are some functionalities that are not there. But if you need them, all you need to do is go to drupal.org website and then download the plugin. Then you need to come to the modules section of this application to add them, to enable them. You can also disable modules in this particular section. Then the configuration section is where you configure the major aspects of your Drupal website. We take a lot of time seeing all the things that are hidden under the configuration section when we get to that level. And then almost to the final section, we have the report section. The report section is where you view the reports about your website, the log, that is the number of users you have on the website, the number of monthly view, the number of daily view, maybe if your site is having any issue, your site needs an update, things like that. Anything that are relating to reports that are generally being given by website, you always have it here. And then finally, we have the help section. Supposing you don't know how to use a particular section, most of these things are explained in the help section. Just click on it, then you see references to how to use things, how to configure things, how to add modules, how to add themes, and everything. And then there are some other modules on the drupal.org website that will allow that to extend these functionalities that I have mentioned. So supposing help a particular help title is not included by default, if you install another module, that module will also extend this particular help section so that you can have as many as possible help, so that for those who don't know how to do things, they can easily come to the help section and read more about them. In the next video, we are going to show you what is inside this particular dashboard, and we'll tell you how to make things work for you.